To get started with Salesforce integration, you must finish creating the survey using Survey Analytics' web-based wizard interface. Here's a quick example of adding multiple select questions to your survey. Application integration is required for Survey Analytics to integrate with your Salesforce account. Not all Salesforce editions allow application integration. Please check with your Salesforce representative if your account has access to application integration. To get started, you need to log in to your Salesforce account. Enter in your Salesforce.com login details. Your Salesforce.com account must have the Salesforce API enabled. Contact your Salesforce.com representative for details. The login information is used by the Survey Analytics system to access Salesforce.com and store survey responses. It will take up to 1 minute to verify your Salesforce account and password. A confirmation in green stating it's been verified will show up in your Survey Analytics account once it's been completed. Log into your Salesforce account to create a field in your account. Go to App Setup. This should open a drop-down list of fields to select. In this example, we're going to store the data under a field called Cases. Under Case, New Custom Field, it should prompt you to complete Step 1. Choose the field type. You'll need to specify the type of information the custom field will contain. In our example, we're selecting Pick List Multi-Select. Enter in the details of the new custom field. Any fields marked with the vertical line is mandatory. Add in a field name, specify the number of visible lines, and add in answers from the multi-select question. Establish field level security. Select the profiles to which you want to grant access to edit this first field level security. The field will be hidden from all profiles if you do not add it to field level security. Add a new field to page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first 2-column section of these layouts. The field will not appear on any pages if you do not select a layout. When finished, click on Save and New to create additional fields, or click Save when done. In this example, we're going to map the data from the survey into your Salesforce account. To get started, open up the survey you'd like to use for mapping. Go to Login, Surveys, Edit Survey tab. If you've not done this yet, enter your Salesforce.com login details. Your Salesforce.com account must have the Salesforce API enabled. Scroll down to Mapping Object and click on the drop-down list. Select the type of object that you'd like to map into your Salesforce.com database. For this example, we're using Cases. Note, if you plan on mapping to custom objects or custom fields in Salesforce.com, you'll need to create them in Salesforce.com and revisit this mapping screen. After defining the Salesforce.com object, each question will have a link for mapping that question to a Salesforce.com object. Go back to Add Edit Survey tab and go to the question you want to map. Click on the Settings link located on the right side of the question. Select Salesforce CRM. Click on the drop-down box and choose which field you'd like the data to appear. Switch back to your Salesforce account and use this to send out email invitations to your respondent list. Select an existing email template from your folder or click on New Email. Select one from the many customizable options. For this example, we'll choose from Custom. Customize your email template by selecting the appropriate folder and enter the name and description for the email template. The description field is for internal use only. Once completed, check the Make Available for Use to make this available for other team members at your firm to use. Create an HTML version of your email. Include the subject line and the content of your email. Create a text-only version of your email invitation. By doing both versions, you can ensure a greater volume of respondents reading your invitation and taking the survey. Preview your email template. Make sure to check both the HTML and text version and make any needed changes until satisfied with the appearance and save for others to use. To test and make sure your data from your survey is showing up in Salesforce, click on Preview Survey and fill out the survey. Open up Salesforce and click on Cases, and select Recent Cases and select one of the case number links. The case number link will open the case details. This will include the data from the survey that was taken. Make sure to review all the data from the survey is mapping properly and make any needed changes if required.